Welcome to Monotech. Today we're going to install a Monotech 12.1 inch LCD into an Okuma OSP 5000. Now it's originally a 12 inch color CRT and the 12.1 inch LCD is slightly bigger than the opening, so we have to remove the bezel to get it to install. We've taken the back cover off just to make the video nice and short, and we've removed the CRT already, so the entire control is open, and this is just so you can get an understanding of the basic mounting of it. So with the plastic bezel, on the OSP 5000, this bezel is removable. So there's a screw here, screw here. Monotech designed this so it mounts on the front of the LCD, of the control. So by mounting it on the front, we're able to get a larger screen size and ultimately a better screen than the tiny screens that others are offering. Didn't quite come undone. Alright, so we remove the bezel. And you just want to take some Windex and just clean that around there. With the Monotech LCD, the design is intended to mount on the front, so we can, and there's little clips on the bottom. So what you're doing is you're gonna put the clip so that it sits nice and flush on the bottom, and then there's foam to hold it tight. What you're gonna end up doing is this bracket here is provided. It's gonna mount right on there. If you had somebody helping you, just make the process a little easier with holding it. And there we have our 12.1 inch LCD mounted to the front of the OSP 5000. Monotech also provides the adapter cables, so if it's the 20-pin connector or if it's monochrome, it's an edge connector. The monochrome, Okuma's done some weird things with the video, so Monotech provides a circuit that processes the weird video signal to make our monitors work on it. It's they're not standard VGA monitors. These are specially designed for the Okuma signal. And you end up mounting the rest of the control back together, plug in everything you need to that you've already unplugged, and put it back in your machine. If you have any problems, you can give us a call or go to our website, monotech.com. Thanks.